Hey guys, welcome back to Niche and Neil Rock. So today it's me Neil here, and in this video I'm actually gonna show how to fix an error which may come for some people in the app which I have made. So for the app you can check the link in the description below. So actually this is my app Spellchamp. So I just wanted to show you that there may be an error which may come when you click create import word list. You add a Google Sheet URL, and after you add it, there an error comes. So I'm gonna tell how you're supposed to fix that. So first let's open. Let's open. So I'll start a new document. I'll start an Excel. Yeah, so this is the file. Make an Excel. New spreadsheet. So now let's start a spreadsheet. Name it upload to Spellchamp. Okay. And now let's just add some random words. Cat, bat, rat, at, mat, sat, that. So now let's just copy it. And let's open the app and let's enter it. Upload. So it said this will clear your existing list, meaning if you have added any words, they're going to be deleted. And before publishing, you must make your spreadsheet public so the data can get transferred. So just click OK. And this error comes, quote and unquoted cell. So how are we supposed to fix this? We have to fix this by, in this spreadsheet which we made, click share. And you're going to see that currently it is restricted. Only people added can open this link. So we have to change to anyone with the link, and that person is a viewer. Click done, and then you can copy the link. Now let's move back. I'll paste the link and I'll click upload. Okay. So that's it. Well, all the words which we added have been displayed right over here. So thank you for watching. That's all I wanted to say. Bye.